welcome back to another vlog. Today we have a couple of errands to run. I need to stop by IKEA. We're going to IKEA because I have to purchase some furniture. Mainly like a new bed or a new bed set. Take two. Okay. And it's been it sucks because the weather in Atlanta has been kind of like rainy but cloudy. But also really hot and really humid. And today is going to be one of those days where it's really hot and humid. So it's really important that I remember to put on sunscreen. And so far, this has been my favorite sunscreen. I really enjoy this and it blends into my skin really well. I don't have any issues with it blending into my hairline or beard at all. Oh, and did I say we're going to IKEA? I need some furniture, mainly just to like look around and see what might work for my space, and we'll go from there. I do enjoy going to IKEA from time to time. Like, it's just their whole like marketing brand experience that I really do enjoy. Actually, quite a few, I can't say quite a few, but I do have a piece or two from IKEA that I really enjoy, and it works well in my space. It can work well for anyone. You just have to know how to like style and pick the right pieces for your space. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I've already like browsed online, which I really don't like doing. If I can't get it in person, I really don't care to see it online. But of course, like with IKEA, a bulk of their items that you see online, they're gonna have in the store 9 times out of 10. So I just wanna like actually see them in person just to like, you know, shake things around and make sure certain pieces are sturdy and gonna work for me. So yeah, let's get dressed and get on with my day. I am gonna stop by, I am gonna go by the cafe, grab a coffee. Hopefully they have the vegan croissants. They're always out whenever I go. You got to get there early because the vegan chocolate croissants are really popular. So yeah. Let's go to the cafe, and then I'm going to stop by IKEA and then find something to eat. That's pretty much all I have planned for today. Let's go. We made it to IKEA. We're gonna stop inside and check out what we see. All right, you guys, I just got off of work. I do want to check out, I hope you guys can hear me. I do want to check out this new, it's like a bar. It's a pretty cool bar in Atlanta. So I do plan on checking that out tonight. But first, we're gonna get some ice cream. All right, I got my ice cream. It's crazy because this shop, it's situated downtown, but like downtown Atlanta. I mean, it's kind of like, I don't know, if you know, you know, but it's kind of sketchy. But the ice cream is really good. All right, you guys, so you can't really see the fit. I honestly don't have anything to wear, so we're just gonna go all out. I'm gonna check out this, I'm gonna check out the hottest bar in Atlanta, so to speak. Today I set out to enjoy my Saturday, as much as I did not enjoy it. But I'm not gonna let my bad day stop me from enjoying the rest of my night. So yeah, I'm heading off to this bar and have a good time. This will be the fragrance of the night. Let's go. You guys, it's night. I can't even talk. I'm so irritated with my night right now. All right, you guys, so long story short, like the DJs, they tag team. There were like 2 people, but they tag team. They kind of sucked, so I'm heading back home. All right, you guys, I am currently in Whole Foods, which is pretty busy at the moment. Great news, Whole Foods is, apparently they got their shipment back, so everyone is like restocking the shelves finally. The bad news is I'm back to not being able to make up my mind between various products. All right, so far I have a watermelon and some pretzels. All right, you guys, I'm back from Whole Foods. Oh boy, my life is all over the place. I would have never imagined my life would be where it is currently. It's definitely not bad or horrible, but it's absolutely not in my realm of like comfort zone that I would like to, that I usually keep myself within. Yeah, anyways. Also, going out last night also helped me realize that I have a lot of like active wear or like active clothing, but I don't have clothing to necessarily go out in. So I need like actual like shirts, like casual shirts that I can just throw on effortlessly and still look really good. So I know I'll end up going, today is Sunday, so I'll do that tomorrow just because I know the malls are packed right now, and doing it on a Monday, it's gonna be so much, it'll be a breeze. So yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. I'm going to the pool, so let's get ready. I'm just gonna throw on some shorts and hang out at the pool for a little while. Yeah, let's go. It is the next day. I grabbed coffee, and I really hope the wind is not messing up this video right now. We're heading to the MARTA subway. We're gonna go to the mall, and we might do a little shopping. I'm out in public right now, so I'm fighting through the pain of vlogging out in public. But yeah, we're gonna do some shopping around and see what kind of like casual shirts I can find for like when I go out to various events. I just need some like casual clothing. Yeah. All right, you guys, so I'm leaving from Perimeter, and I didn't really see anything. So I'm going to shoot on over to Lenox Mall. Okay, all right, change of plans. We're going to try Marshall's, and we're gonna see if Marshall's has anything. The whole goal is not to spend a ton of money, just because I really don't go out a lot. So let's run in there and see if I can find anything. I always run into this problem whenever I try to like buy clothing for myself. If it's not activewear, I completely struggle. I really can't dress. That's just what it all boils down to. And the other issue is, I notice I'll spend like $100, $100+ on just like a t-shirt, or like I'll buy expensive pants to end up not wearing them at all. And I just don't want to keep running into that problem. Oh, cool. They have a Nordstrom's rack here as well. So let's see. So that was really my first time inside of a Nordstrom's rack. Very disappointing. So we'll see what Marshall's has. My hopes aren't high, but yeah, we'll check it out. All right, you guys, I am back from the mall. It's pretty safe to say that trip to the mall was not successful. Quite literally, the only thing that I purchased. So when I was in Zara, I did end up getting the necklace add-on piece. It's like a micro dog tag. I'm just gonna throw this piece away. So yeah, something like, and I did want something that was smaller to go onto my necklace that I already have. Let's just try it out and see if I'll even like it. All right. Oh, this is like some sort of like, all right. This we're definitely throwing away. This might be, this is gonna be really stupid, I can already tell. All right, let's see. All right, this might not be too bad. I obviously wouldn't wear it with this shirt, but let's see. Go somewhere with better lighting. It's actually not bad. I would only add this if I was wearing like something, I don't know. Yeah, it's not too bad, I guess. Stupid. Should I just throw it away? I don't know. Comment below. Let me know. I also do kind of like it because it holds it down. It holds down the necklace a little bit. But I don't know. I think it'll also look really nice if I have like a button up, like a open button up shirt kind of thing. Like if I go out or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. I picked up this watermelon yesterday. You guys know. This is probably the best watermelon I've ever eaten. Anyways, I got the yoga mat out so I can stretch before my run today. I'll eat the rest when I get back. So let me bring you guys closer. If you're still watching this vlog, oh, also, I do want to start eating watermelon at least a few times, especially in the summer. I want to start incorporating watermelon into my diet more than I have. I usually just eat watermelon maybe like once a year, which is crazy when you think about it. I definitely need to start eating watermelon at least 2 to 3 times a week. That's pretty much everything. I'm going to close out this vlog only because I think I'm going to close out this vlog. I might extend it. Yeah, I think I'm going to close out this vlog here. I'll do a longer, yeah. Today is Monday, which means I start work again tomorrow. That's all I have. Thank you guys for watching.